Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to talk to you today about the Hofner strap that comes with the Hofner Beatle Bass and my solution to avoiding all the quirkiness of the original strap. I know it's not going to be original Paul McCartney, but if you look at Paul playing today, he doesn't even use that strap a lot of the time, and he uses his strap buttons. So let me just show you what I did to the Hofner strap to make it work. It fits in the case and I don't have to worry about scratching the wood, which was my main concern. I don't know why Hofner uses that hook with the piece of metal and the two D-rings, metal on wood and lacquer type finish. It's not a good combination, so check it out. All right, guys, so here is the Hofner Beetle Bass, made in Germany. This is the strap that comes with it. And what I did is I used the strap buttons. I've got a 64 model, so it's got binding, it's got strap buttons. So this part is normal. This is what would go around the body and through here underneath the neck. But I didn't want that, leather on the wood, which would also potentially rub the finish away eventually. And then on this end, what I ended up doing was I cut off about, I don't know, 12 inches or so that has the little D-ring on the end of it. So now it was just an end of a piece of, just the end of the piece of leather here. And then I took a box cutter and I cut a line down the center of it, about, I don't know, an inch or so. And then I drilled a hole on the end of it so that it would sit on the strap pin. And now what you have is you have a strap that you can actually use this little piece to keep this from flopping around, especially if you hang it on the wall. You do have this metal piece here, but it sits on top of this piece when it's in the case. So overall, to me, this is a much better solution to the dilemma of the strap for the Hofner bass. I've seen guys take and put 550 cord around the little hook, but to me that didn't look very elegant, and I think this is a much better solution. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you watching.